Is it time to buy or sell AST SpaceMobile stock? In this video, we will explore AST SpaceMobile in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of May, 2024, our system has categorized AST SpaceMobile as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's explore the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 789.24% since we first advised purchasing AST SpaceMobile 60 days ago. This results in an average return of 13.15% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger upward movement ahead. For any pullback, there will now be support at the level broken, which is $21.21. This might present a second opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on upward momentum. According to fan theory, $24.62 stands as the next likely peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 331.55% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 244.33% to 310.15%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 247.84% change over the next year, with potential returns between negative 22.93% and 81.8%. This translates to a price range between $17.20 and $40.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for AST SpaceMobile includes the headline, Volatile Ride for AST SpaceMobile Inc. Stock Price on Thursday, moving between $19.59 and $22.36. The AST SpaceMobile Inc. stock price gained 13.65% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, rising from $19.64 to $22.32. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.14% from a low of $19.59 to a high of $22.36. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 34.13% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares being traded for approximately $282,620,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $22.36, while the lowest price was $1.97. Currently, the price is 0.18% or 4 cents below the 52-week high and 12.02% or $3.05 below the all-time high on the 10th of February, 2021, when the price reached $25.37. AST SpaceMobile Inc., traded as ASTS on NASDAQ, is gaining significant attention as it plans to revolutionize global communication with the creation of the first space-based cellular broadband network. This ambitious project aims to enable satellite communication directly to any unmodified smartphone worldwide. Recently, AST SpaceMobile secured a crucial license from the Federal Communications Commission and is preparing to launch 5 communication satellites, enhancing its capability to offer cell phone service from space. As the company gears up for these advancements, investor sentiment has shifted notably, reflected in recent stock fluctuations. ASTS shares surged to $21.28 following successful partnerships with major telecoms like AT&T and Verizon, but have since experienced volatility amid broader market conditions. Analysts are now awaiting ASTS's second quarter earnings report due on the 14th of August, where expectations lean towards an earnings per share loss for 2024, despite improvements in quantitative scores and potential for further telecom collaborations. The upcoming satellite launches are pivotal, as they could unlock a market with billions of potential users, reinforcing AST's first-mover advantage in direct-to-cell fifth-generation services. In the short term, the stock price will likely remain sensitive to market sentiments, regulatory updates, and operational milestones. In the long term, successful launches and effective scaling of its service could drive significant growth and revenue, making ASTS a compelling watch in the evolving telecommunications sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of June, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned ASTS a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of May, 2024, it was reported that Scotiabank rated AS as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 30th of May, 2024, Scotiabank also assigned AS a sector outperform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank gave ASTS a buy rating paired with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 2nd of April, 2024, Deutsche Bank again rated ASTS as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned AST SpaceMobile stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio also as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for AST SpaceMobile. AST SpaceMobile Inc. stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $19.96 and $14.30. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 21, 2024, and since then the stock has appreciated by 121.43%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning signal. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 66 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 73 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for AST SpaceMobile. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.68 and $18.84. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, AST SpaceMobile Inc. has support just below today's level at $20.68. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.84 and $18.59. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.77 between its high and low points, representing a change of 14.14%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.19%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for AST SpaceMobile, let's take a moment to discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's examine the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 19 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can considerably influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AST SpaceMobile. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, AST SpaceMobile encounters its first support level at $20.68. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for AST SpaceMobile from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of June, 2024, Bernal Maya executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Sambar Christopher also made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 1st of October, 2023, Yao Huiwen purchased 544,912 shares of AST LLC incentive equity options. Earlier, on the 14th of May, 2023, Yao Huiwen bought 217,522 shares of AST LLC incentive equity options. Again, on the 19th of June, 2024, Wisniewski Scott made an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 97 insider trades reveals a positive insider power, with a calculated ratio of approximately 92.379. In total, insiders have purchased 314,498,648 shares, while selling 5,844,615 shares in these last 97 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.66, reflecting a decrease of 2.96%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces considerable risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 77, further elevating this risk. Additionally, we have observed a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 36 days ago. Is AST SpaceMobile stock a good buy? AST SpaceMobile Incorporated shows several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Given the current situation, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning that investors may consider holding or gradually accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of August, we anticipate that AST SpaceMobile will open lower by 90 cents, starting at $21.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.